Magandang umaga po at welcome po sa ating programa, My Morning Manna with Pastor OG. Ang awitin po na inyong narinig is She Love ni Jeff and Sherry Easter sa kanilang album na celebrating 25 years of marriage sa kanilang silver anniversary na pagsasama. Buksan po natin ang ating mga Biblia sa aklat po ng Santiago or James chapter 3 verse 5. No? Ito pagkasabi, "The tongue is a little member and boasts great things." Now, we will discussing about little things. Tongue is very little, no? Minsan kasi iniisip natin, ang liit lang niya, but it is destructive. Katulad ng mosquito, lamok, na pag nakagat ka, hindi mo alam, may dinggi pala yon, no? We don't know. Kaya po, tongue is just a little thing, but it's destructive. Tongue is a 3-inch tall, but can kill a 6-foot man. Ganon siya makapangyarihan. It's the little things that destroy a healthy relationship. So be careful with your tongue. Our tongue can kill a relationship with our friends, families, no? It's the little fox that destroy the vines. It's the little termites that destroy the big tree. It's the little tongue that destroys human life. Tongue can heal or can kill. The choice is ours. Meron tayong dila, paano ba natin siya gagamitin? Kung meron mang mga panahon na gamitin natin siya, then encourage natin ang ibang tao. Use this tongue that we have to help other people. Last point po, it is better to bite your tongue than to let it bite someone else. It's true. Our tongue, backbiting, don't allow it in our lives. Yung dila natin napakalit, but what my challenge to you this morning is, when we have opportunity, na magchismis, that's the time that we'll keep our mouth shut and start to use this little tongue to encourage, to challenge, and to give an exhortation, a preaching, or a singing. Use this tongue for the glory of God. God bless po at magandang umaga.